Hi guys, in today's show I will unbox this, plus talk about my buying experience of certain non-gunpla item from Japan. Stay tuned! If you like the video or channel, please consider subscribe, like, share or comment. Thank you! Hi everyone, Kick from Kickpla. Today I will unbox this new arrivals. Now in here there is a order from a local hobby shop and also one from overseas. And as you can see, the one from overseas is from Mandarake. So let's get on to it. Okay, the first box is from Hobby City. And the first item out of the box is the Tamiya 1-700 Enterprise Kit. I was eyeing to buy this for a while since it's only about $30 something, so it was relatively cheap. I know it's a very old tooling kit and I expect it to be very dated, but still a Tamiya product, so should be fun to build. I do want to get a more recent version of the Enterprise aircraft carrier, but haven't been able to find one except 1-350 Tamiya kits, which is way out of my budget really. Now the rest of this order are various supplies that I was after. So there's a bottle of Tamiya primer. I know I would like to get Mr. Servicer primer, but they are a lot more expensive here in New Zealand and constantly out of stock nationwide. So this Tamiya primer is a very good alternative. I also got a bottle of Tamiya enamel green, which is very good for painting details. And finally some Eprox putty. Again, it is a replacement for the Tamiya one, which is not available locally. As mentioned in my previous episode, it's hard to tell how long things can get back in stock these days, so I thought I'd give this one a try. Maybe I can give it a review later on. Next, let's open the Mandarake box. It's quite a long box, so I can tell you what's inside is not model kit. And as you can see, two longish boxes inside. I can tell you they are posters. Well, not any posters, but anime posters. So first up, it is a Strike Witch poster. I absolutely adore this illustration on these posters. And it is double-sided print too, so on both sides, the characters are so cute. Next up is a Toji no Miko poster. I love this show a lot and I can't put off not getting their signature poster here. The third poster is finally a Gundam Origin poster that I really like. I think fans in Japan could acquire this poster when they attend the showing of this episode at the cinema. I love how it has Sha as the main focus with the other characters surrounding. Now finally, the last poster is from Idolmaster, the animation. It is against a double-sided print poster, with one side showing the anime characters and the other side the voice actors. It is actually a promotion for one of their concerts. So what is this all about buying posters? Now when I visited Japan several years ago, I was able to buy them from shop. Now at the Radio Kankan building at Akihabara, there's a shop on level 5 called Trial, which sell posters. They usually have posters on this table here, a rack behind which has poster hanging like clothing, and another rack near the back of the shop I think. All the posters are in near new conditions and in plastic sleeves as well. Price will likely to be determined by the popularity of the poster or the rarity, but averaging maybe about 2,000 yen. Say if they have a Demon Slayer poster right now, it would likely to have a higher asking price, perhaps in the range of, 5,000, 6,000 or 7,000 yen or higher. There are probably many other places in Japan that sell posters too, but that was the only place I visited last time. Anyway, now since we can't visit Japan due to COVID at the moment, I have to resort to buying from Mandarake and have them shipped. I know all their products are second-handed, so I was expecting sort of a little bit of flaw with the posters. Now they do rank their posters with a grading system based on conditions. S grade being light new, A grade being about average, B grade being average light with possible small squeeze. Any grading below that will have high level of wear and tears. When I looked at their online catalog, pretty much all their posters are B graded, with the exception of a few sort of below B grade, maybe C or C+. The 4 that I've bought, all of them are B grade posters. Now 3 of them were 1,000 yen. The Gundam one was the most expensive at 2,000. But that is the one with the worst condition actually, with a few notable creases and quite a bit of rolling marks. I'll show you later on. The Strike Witch and the Toji posters are in very good condition with no notable damages. I guess my experience is still positive. Now the 1,000 yen poster plus shipping is not really that bad. Consider they are not something that are freely available anywhere in New Zealand or I can easily purchase from somewhere. As I said before, the Gundam Origin poster has quite a lot of issue. The other one are quite okay. The Gundam poster, like I said, costs 2,000 yen. There are obvious signs of wear and tear all over the place. For example, some of the edges you can see here, and some tiny marks all over the place, and also some creases as well. For sure, you won't see this from a distance. Some of the fold marks, maybe I can sort of straighten them out a little bit later on. Still a nice poster and will be better if not for all those flaws. Anyway, that's all I've got for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Now, if you like what you're seeing, please consider giving me a like, subscribing, sharing, and hopefully that will improve my viewership based on the algorithm. And comments are always welcome, good or bad. So, I'll see you next time. Bye now.